Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft. Joining me right now is Richard Kellam. He is the president and CEO of DATA Communications Management Corp. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you: DCM on the TSX and DCMDF on the OTCQX. And Data Communications Management will be presenting at our upcoming investor conference, the Planet MicroCap Showcase Vancouver, in association with Small Cap Discoveries, taking place at the Fairmont Waterfront, Vancouver, on September 25 and 26, 2024. For more information to register, to see Richard, to see their presentation, to meet one-on-one, go register at planetmicrocapshowcase.com. And with that, Richard, thank you for joining me today. How are you doing?
Thanks, Robert. I'm great. How are you?
Well, it's Friday here. We save our complaints for Monday. So Richard, can you start us off with that quick overview and history of DCM?
Yeah, so DCM's in the customer communication space, based here in Canada. One of the larger companies in Canada. Revenues kind of north of $500 million. Work with across multiple number of verticals, large FI clients, large retail clients, large industrial clients as well. So kind of 10 key verticals that we play in, and we help them with their communication from kind of design all the way through to execution.
Very good. All right, so last time we did an interview together, we published that back in April 2023. So I'd love to get that update. What would you say are some of the company's highlights from the last 12 months or so?
Yeah, so over the last 12 months, well, a big catalyst was the acquisition of a large player in the Canadian marketplace. That happened in April of 2023, the end of April of 2023. So we're a year and a half into that acquisition. That essentially doubled the size of our business in Canada. We went from a 275 million revenue company kind of to north of $500 million. And we've been driving hard on integration over the last year. We put a number to the street. We delivered between $30 and $35 million in synergies, and we're well on track to deliver that. In fact, most of the integration work will be complete by the end of 2024. So this is kind of a year of change and a year of integrating. We've been driving hard on margin improvement, on really kind of working our growth agenda, and both revenue expansion with existing clients and new business development for new clients in the marketplace here in Canada that we haven't been working with, and then a lot of work around tech acceleration. So it's been a busy year, post that close in April of 2023. I think we're in a really good place as a company here.
Very good. All right, so to close this out here, I got a two-part question for you. From what you can tell us, what would you say then are the company's value catalysts for the rest of 24 going into 25? And then what would you say are those 1 or 2 reasons why folks should want to meet with you and see DCM in Vancouver?
Yeah, so as I said earlier, Robert, 2024 is kind of the year of change. Driving hard to get the integration work complete, building that better business, and working hard to build a bigger business over time as well. So as we step into 2025, all that integration work will be behind us, and we'll have a nice kind of clean business where we can continue to build margin, accelerate growth, and then importantly scale our tech. We call it tech-enabled workflow. So a lot of our product that we deliver to clients starts with technology, and continue to accelerate and drive that penetration within our client base. And another interesting thing as well, and hopefully we get people coming out to meet myself and James, our CFO in Vancouver. Love to talk to you about where we are from a technology standpoint, because we've got some cool tech within our portfolio. And one in particular is the new launch of our digital asset management solutioning platform called Assemble, or assemble.ai. Anybody can look at it online. And we've just gone to market with that. We're quite excited about that opportunity. So lots happening within our portfolio from an integration and margin improvement and growth and new business, as well as, I want to make sure it's clear that we've got a great tech play in our portfolio as well.
Very good. All right, well, Richard, with that, where can our audience go and find more information about DCM?
DCM.com, or datacm.com rather. DATACM.com is a great place to go get information. And if you want to have a look at our new Assemble platform, it's ASMBL.ai. And look forward to having some conversations with some of the attendees at the event.
Very good. Well, Richard, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe, and I'll see you in Vancouver.
Thanks, Robert. Appreciate it.